Hello, fellow archers. Today I will show you how to make a makeshift aluminium insert for your carbon shaft, so it can be detected by a metal detector, which makes the shaft safe to be used outdoors. This process will also add some weight to your arrow. This is a budget option for people who cannot afford composite shafts, or for people who have their favorite arrows, and also for people who want to use traditional style carbon shafts, since to my knowledge there are no traditional composite shafts at the moment. We start by taking a piece of aluminium foil. I recommend a thick foil. We roll it around the arrow, we take the foil off the arrow, and then we fold it for a few times. The final folding will leave us with a relatively thick, stiff, and kind of triangular aluminium rod, which we then insert into the shaft. Once we reach end of the shaft or insert which we put there from the other side, we can cut the end of the makeshift insert and we can put our nock into the shaft. After this treatment, our arrow can be reliably detected by a metal detector. Enjoy!